Welcome to Autopedia, where we explore the most extreme, powerful, and legendary machines ever built. Today, we bring together three absolute monsters that define performance, style, and dominance: the unstoppable force of Lamborghini, the raw power of the 1969 Chevelle SS hardtop sitting on massive 26-inch wheels, and the sheer presence of the American muscular giant, the Teddy Limited Longhorn. These vehicles are built for those who demand attention, speed, and power, each standing as an ultimate predator in its category. Starting with Lamborghini, a name that needs no introduction in the world of speed and exotic design. Every Lamborghini is crafted to be a masterpiece of aerodynamics and aggression. The front fascia is an engineering marvel, featuring razor-sharp headlights and enormous air intakes that optimize cooling and downforce. The hood is sculpted with precision, integrating airflow channels that enhance performance at high speeds. Lamborghini's signature Y-shaped LED accents add a futuristic and unmistakable presence, ensuring that this beast stands out in any setting. From the side, the Lamborghini's ultra-low stance, bold wheel arches, and carbon fiber side skirts showcase its performance-driven DNA. The deep air intakes, designed for extreme efficiency, channel air perfectly for both cooling and aerodynamic stability. The sculpted roofline seamlessly flows into the massive rear wing, providing superior downforce while maintaining the brand's signature wedge shape. At the rear, the aggressive design continues with a quad exhaust setup, a rear diffuser crafted for maximum airflow control, and LED taillights that give it a menacing, high-tech appeal. Every detail is engineered to perfection, ensuring that Lamborghini remains a dominant force in the supercar world. Shifting gears to American muscle, the 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS hardtop is a true legend. However, this isn't just any Chevelle. This one is sitting on massive 26-inch wheels, giving it an unmatched stance that blends classic muscle with modern street presence. The front end is a statement of pure aggression, featuring a bold blacked-out grille, dual circular headlights, and an intimidating hood scoop that screams power. The chrome bumper adds a touch of vintage muscle car charm, while the SS badging reminds everyone that this is a high-performance beast. From the side, the combination of the long, sleek body and the massive wheels makes this Chevelle look like it owns the road. The flared fenders accommodate the oversized 26-inch rims wrapped in high-performance tires, creating a stance that is both imposing and stylish. The hardtop design gives it a streamlined profile, while the sharp body lines emphasize its classic American muscle proportions. The lowered suspension setup ensures that it sits perfectly over the wheels, providing both